Hello, hello, hello. All right, so today we're going to start talking about fractions. Today we're just going to focus on what is a fraction and the terminology of a fraction. It's only two words, okay? So a fraction is just part of a whole something. So for instance, this shape right here, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces, okay? I'm going to shade in 2 of them. Alrighty. So if I said, what fraction of this shape is shaded in? The part that is shaded in. So I'm gonna write this over here real quick. Fraction, remember, is always part over whole. Alrighty. So the part that is shaded in are these 2 right here. Okay. The whole object has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces. The whole is 6. So this right here, that is your fraction for this piece. 2 out of 6 pieces are shaded. Okay? Now, if you wanted to ask me, well, Andrea, what'd you have for dinner last night? I tell you, I had a pizza. How many pieces was my pizza cut into? It was cut into, I know that's not perfect, that's okay. It was cut into 8 pieces. I ate 3 of them. So last night, I ate 3/8 of a pizza, plus some breadsticks, plus dessert. Moving on. Okay, so let's go back to this one right here. 2 out of 6. There is some terminology to know about fractions. I say that, it's not scary. It's 2 words, okay? We're gonna break it down. This number up top here, this is your part. This is called the numerator. All right, it's always the number on top. The part is the numerator, is always the number on top. The number on bottom, this 6 here, remember I told you that is the whole. This is called the denominator. All right. So if you have any questions on this, let me know. Just pause this video right here, shoot me a text, we'll figure it out, okay? Let's look at an example real quick. So I have a bowl with some hard candy in it here. So I have some strawberry candies. I have some sweet striped mints. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 strawberry pieces of candy. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 mints, okay? So let's erase this real quick. And look at this. Let's see how much candy Andrea has. So if I have strawberry, we said we had 6 of those. And for the mints, we had 5. So first thing I would ask you, what's the whole? How many total pieces was in this bowl here? I need to put things back in. How many total pieces are in here? We would add up those 2 numbers here. 6 plus 5 is 11, all right? So there's 11 total pieces. So that's our whole number, which will be our denominator, okay? Now, what kind of fraction are we gonna build? I wanna know how much strawberry candy is in this bowl. So the part here would be this number here, the 6. So 6 out of 11 pieces are strawberry, okay? Simple as that. So now let's look at doing some examples, okay? Where's my thing? So I'm going to put a fraction up on this board. I want you to identify the numerator. Remember, the numerator is the number on top. I put up here 4 out of 5. What is the numerator? You said it is 4. Good job. You're correct. Okay, now, what if I said, keep this same fraction up here? What's the denominator? You said 5. Good job. All right, let's do some examples of writing fractions. Bear with me. My pictures are not going to be perfect, but I'm going to do my best job, okay? All right, don't forget all the notes of everything I'm going to go over are right below here. You can open it up, download it, print it if you have a printer at home, however you need, okay? Our first example is going to be this box here, okay? And I am going to color in three boxes. What fraction of this shape is shaded in red? Remember, part over whole. How many parts are shaded in red? 1, 2, 3. So our part, or our numerator, would be 3. The whole shape has 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces to it. So the fraction for this would be 3 out of 4. Okay. Now let's try another one. Oh, Lord, help me with this drawing. Say we have a circle, not too shabby, that is 2, 3, 4, 5. Split into 5 equal pieces. Let's pretend those are all equal. And I shade in those 2 pieces. How many pieces of this circle is shaded blue? If you look at this, how many pieces are shaded blue? 1, 2. It's okay that they're not together. Sorry, you can't see my numbers real well. So our numerator for this fraction would be 2. That's how many is shaded in. The denominator would be how many there are total. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the fraction for this one would be 2 over 5. I'm not going to use that red marker anymore. It's not easy to see. Okay? All righty. Let's try this one. Say I have a triangle that's split into a shape like that. Okie dokie. Now, let's say I shade in this middle piece. Ooh, that's a pretty marker. What fraction of this triangle is shaded in? Well, if you look at it, one part is shaded, so our numerator on this one would be 1. How many total pieces are there on this one? 1, 2, 3, 4. So our denominator would be 4. Okay, you feeling like a pro at naming fractions yet? I sure hope so. Let's try one last one, okay? This one is going to take me a second to draw. It's going to be a bigger piece. One, 2, 3, 4. All right. So this is a box split up into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 pieces. If you use your memory on finding area, you could have done 5 times 3 to get 15. That's all right. Take baby steps. All right, now I'm going to shade in some pieces. Shade in this one, shade in this one, shade in this one. All right, so again, we said how many pieces are on here? 15. So if you already know the total amount of pieces, that's your denominator. Go ahead and write that below a fraction bar. Now, how many boxes of this shape did I color in? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So guess what? That's your numerator. So the fraction for this would be 7 over 15. Okay, so don't forget, all of these examples and notes I've already written out for you. They're right below here. If you have questions, let me know. We'll figure out how to work through it together. And now you can try the problems next to this video. Give it a try, and I will check your work and let you know how you did, okay? And P.S., if you don't hear anything from me, it's because your work was perfect. So good job last week, and let me know. Okay, bye guys.